Hi, welcome to day 2. So today we're going to go over some more Canvas stuff and see how you did on yesterday's Canvas stuff. So let's start with our slide. So today what we're going to do is we're going to respond to sound, music, images, and the written word so that we can upload a photo and make a post introduction as well as respond to other people's posts. So the first thing is we do every day is going to be our cameras are on and our mute is on. So we are muted. We're making sure that our real name is up and we're checking in by using the QR code or the button on the home screen. If we were in the chat, if you were in the Zoom today, your question would have been, have you ever been in a theater class before and did you like it? Since you aren't in the Zoom today, if you could throw your answer to that on the questions, comments section of your check-in, that would be wonderful. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk about what we're going to talk about today, which is we're going to go over the discussions tab, the help center, and the You Matter Center. So we're going to practice and we're going to do a say hello activity in Canvas in discussions. All right, so let's go to Canvas. Now, you may have noticed that every single class you're in has a new name. This is to help you identify your class. This is still theater. The picture is still the same. It just has grade levels on it. I teach all grade levels, so it's a little redundant, but that is absolutely fine. My name is also on it. I'm the only theater teacher, so okay. So when we click on it, remember the first thing that we're going to do is check in. We're going to come and check in and fill it out. And then we are going to move on. Now, if you have not completed the Canvas module, you will not be able to access the assignments tab. All right. You have to finish the Canvas module. All right. If for whatever reason you have finished the Canvas module and it is still not letting you move on, then the first thing I recommend you doing is logging completely out of Canvas and then logging back in. That was a thing that we did today. Somebody had that issue. They logged out, they logged in, they were fine. If it's still persisting, then that means you've missed something very important and you can talk to me and I can show you how to fix it. All right, so today would be Tuesday. So we're gonna come over here to the 18th. What we're doing in class is discussions, help center, and You Matter. And then the assignment is take a selfie, all right? So we are going to use the discussions tab to do this assignment. So if I click on this, it will take me directly to the assignment. But I can also click on the word discussions over here in the side navigation. If I click on the word discussions, it's going to take me to the whole tab instead of only one item. So either way is fine. Both of them work. And this is the assignment for today. So you're going to take a selfie and you're going to write 3 sentences about yourself and you're going to post it here. Here is my example. My name is Ms. Reddy. This is incorrect now. I have 4 cats. I love to watch movies. I love Disney Plus and I'm a Marvel fan. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to come down here to reply. You're going to reply, and only after you have replied will you be able to see answers and responses from other people. I would like you to at least try and like one other person's response, please. There are some other fun things in the discussion tab, such as good things. Good things is a thing that I want to start doing in the mornings. We probably won't start doing them until after Tuesday since we have not introduced it to everybody yet. So this is our good things tab. And so in order to make sure that we don't have to make a bunch of discussions, what's going to happen is you're going to put your good things in the reply, and then periodically I'm going to write them all down and delete them from the tab. When I delete them, I'm going to put them on here. You can click the next button and you'll be able to see them all. And I'll put them on here, and that way that we get to have them all year, but down here it won't be cluttered, okay? So that is one of the things in the discussion tab. There are other discussions that we will be using at different times. This is a specific thing for the Friday choice days. So it won't be open yet. Some of these have dates on them, so they will open at certain times. And then some of them are just open. So this is what we're going to do today. When I let you go, when I release you from small group, this is your activity. You need to log into Canvas. That's the first thing. Check in. And the third thing is you have to say hello. All right. So let's go back. One of the next tabs that we're going to talk about is the help tab. Some classes got to talk about the help tab today or yesterday, and then everybody else gets to talk about it today. So in the help tab, you can find missing work. This will link to modules to help you find the missing work. You can contact me. You can also contact me by clicking on the inbox over here in this tab, but this will open an email with my name in it. And then Canvas help. This is help for students on the homepage, or this goes to our module. This goes to the homepage itself on gpisd.org. And this emails our IMS, Mr. Sayan. He is the person in charge of fixing tech things here at Banner. The last item that we're going to talk about is the You Matter tab. Now, you matter to me, and your mental health and physical health, emotional health, all of the health matter to me. And this has been insane. You've been trapped in your house for so long, and you need people, and you can't have people because sickness. And I want to give you a place where you can kind of relax or get what you need to feel better. So this links to the Good Things tab in discussions, like we said. This front page talks about self-worth, and it will open this worksheet for you if you click on it. None of this is mandatory. This is simply here because I love you. Remember, that's what this sign means. It is not mandatory. It is only here because I care about you, and I care about your ability to take care of yourself and to learn. This section is meditation station. It's not as beautiful of a station as I would like it to be. I'm still working on it. I got frustrated while I was building it. But when you click this link, it will take you to YouTube, and it will take you to some guided meditations. Anybody who was with me before in the last couple of years, you know what a guided meditation is. You lay down, you close your eyes, you listen, and you do what the guided meditation tells you to do. And it just helps you relax. It can help you de-stress. It can help you get rid of anger and anxiety. And it can just make you physically feel better. That is what this is for. Also, there are some uplifting ideas. Maybe you're just sad and you need something to do. There are some quotes that can help you feel better. And then here's a list of activities that could also make you feel better. And if you really just need to talk, you can request to see a counselor. These are our counselors. This is Ms. Gonzalez. She talks to students whose last names are A through L. And then Ms. Verney talks to M through Z. This is Ms. Thomas. She is our social worker. So you click this link, and it opens the Fan and Counseling Service page. Then you pick which person you want to speak to. You click on their name, and it opens a Google form. You fill out this form, and then they will contact you. There's also an announcements tab. It's similar to the discussions tab. I also have some fun stuff here. If you're interested in any of our clubs, you can join there. This is a welcome message for you. And then this is our theater bulletin board. It works similarly to our Good Things bulletin board in that if you have something you would like to display, like usually in a classroom, this would be you brought me something, and then like this, I have put it up on the wall. Or maybe you did something really cool in science and you're just really proud of it and you would like it to be displayed. You will put it to me. You can put it in a reply, or you can email it to me, or if we're doing some kind of an art project, you could just type, please put this on the bulletin board. And then I will, and I will put it up on the bulletin board. Here's some of the art from last year that got put up that I really enjoyed having. And so this is how we're going to use that. You can see I have instructions down here. Keep the comments positive or you're going to be removed. This page is for happiness and joy and positivity. It is not a place to come and say your art is terrible. It's not for that. This is a place to lift you up because you are wonderful and you are special and you are talented. You may not be so talented that you can be in an art museum yet, but you could be, and that's what's important, okay? So in our modules, if you have not finished the Canvas module, again, you will not be able to access anything from the week. So make sure that you are going through and looking at what's going on this week. Now, as we go through the week, we're going to cover some of this stuff, but if you would like to get ahead, that's okay too. Just make sure that on the day, you are doing stuff on the day so you can get credit. I hope this was helpful and that you are able to do what you need to do for your lesson. Keep in mind, your lesson today is to say hello in the discussions tab. All right. That's all for now. See you in class. Bye.